My dog wanted to be in the video. Her name is Bella. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Alexander Demergis, and in today's video, I'm going to be going through my plan for the next 6 months for my beard growth experiment. Before we get into the plans for my beard growth journey for the next 6 months, it would do me a solid if you guys went down below, subscribe to my channel if you guys are into men's fashion, grooming, and fragrances, as well as lifestyle. Also, hop on over to Instagram if you guys are interested in what I do in my personal life, me hanging out with my friends, me doing lifts and PRs at the gym, or me traveling. I go to music festivals, so there's a whole bunch of fun stuff that I post on my Instagram that's not on this YouTube channel. So make sure to give me a follow over there if that sounds good to you. Okay, with all that out of the way, let's finally get back into the video for what I have planned. Plan for this experiment is for 6 months. I'm going to be using Minoxidil 5% topical solution. I'm going to pair that with a 0.5 millimeter derma roller or micro needle once a week. And then I'm also going to be supplementing that with different vitamins, multivitamins, vitamin D3, biotin, and all these different kinds of things. And as well, I'm also going to apply beard oil, which is basically a mixture of castor oil, sunflower seed oil, flax oil, sesame oil, all these different things mixed into one concoction. This is purely an experiment. The supplementation that I'm going to be using is Minoxidil topical solution 5%. I'm using the Kirkland brand, and essentially what this is, it's a topical solution for hair growth for men, but there is some anecdotal evidence for beard growth as well. I've seen it on Reddit, and I've seen other videos of people talk about this, such as Derek from More Plates, More Dates. And so I'm gonna see if it works for me. And so basically what I'm going to be doing with this is I'm going to be applying Minoxidil 5% topical solution twice a day, about 1 milliliter of it on the area that I want to affect. And to supplement that, what also I'm going to be using is a derma roller. And so what this device is that it has a bunch of these little micro needles on it. And what you do, it doesn't really hurt. You just take it on your face and you roll it over the affected areas. This is used for hair loss treatment for men. However, I'm gonna try to use it on my facial hair and see what I can get from it. So they say that you can almost double your Minoxidil topical solution results if you also pair it with derma rolling or microneedling. I'm also just gonna throw the whole kitchen sink at this experiment, might as well, and I'm gonna use some supplementation such as multivitamins, vitamin D, and some different oils for my face. So for example, right here, I have a few multivitamin pills. Here it's called the Beard brand. It doesn't have to be this brand, but it's just essentially a multivitamin with different things here. As you guys can tell, there's 60 tablets here, 2 a day, but essentially what they have is vitamin A, C, D, E, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B6, folate, vitamin B12, biotin, pantothenic acid, zinc, copper, and a few other things. So the most potent vitamin in these supplements here is about at 6,500%, and that is the biotin. And next, which about 1,000%, is the pantothenic acid, as well as the vitamin B12. So that's primarily what's going to be in here, but I'm also going to be supplementing this with also vitamin D, because I know vitamin D also aids in hair growth. Next, what also I'm going to be applying just for general hair health for my beard is this growth oil that also came with the derma roller. Now, as far as these supplements go here, I'm not sure if it's going to do anything. However, might as well try it. And so basically what's in here, the growth oil from Beard brand as well, is just castor, sunflower, jojoba, avocado, coconut, rice, and all the different kinds of oils from these different plants and grains here. Leaf oil, right? So all these kinds of oils are mixed in here, castor oil, and essentially I'm going to be putting this on my face, a few times a week as well, and see what goes there. And so that's basically all I'm going to be doing for the next 6 months. Now, these supplements from here only last about 30 days because there's only 60 tablets, 2 per day. So I'm going to be just using normal vitamins, multivitamins when this runs out. And as far as the oil, I'll try to make it last as long as I can, but that's not gonna last 6 months. So the main meat and potatoes of this experiment that's gonna have probably the most results, if there are any results by the end of the 6 months, is gonna be this 0.5 millimeter derma roller on the face, as well as this topical solution Minoxidil at 5% potency. So that is what I'm gonna be doing for the next 6 months, guys, an experiment. So if you notice my face is a little red, that's probably what it's gonna be from. The Minoxidil does cause redness, it does cause itchiness on the face. The directions say not to use it on the face. It's for the head loss, but there is some anecdotal evidence that it might help in beard growth as well. So we will see. And I'm gonna be taking before and after pictures every single month or maybe every 2 weeks. And I'm gonna see what progress I'm gonna be making. I'm always gonna be shaving down my beard to about this level here so you can see if there's gonna be any additional growth coming in towards my lips here or underneath my bottom lip and up from my chin. But basically that's the plan, guys. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we will see. I'm doing this experiment for me, but I figured it'd be awesome if it did work and so you guys can see the results live. So hopefully the next 6 months are gonna work out for me in this case. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys have ever tried this before, and also let me know what you would think with me having a beard, if you think that would look cool as opposed to what I have got going on right now. So without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to check out my other videos on this channel on men's fashion, grooming, or fragrances, I'll leave 2 other videos here for you guys to go dig through. And so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys all in that next one.